This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a TI-83 scatterplot. I've got some coordinates listed here. I'm going to enter these into the calculator. Press the Start key, then press Enter. I'm going to go into the lists screen. If you already have data in these lists, you can use the arrows to scroll up and then hit the clear button. But I do not, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my data. I'm going to enter my X variables first. Press the Enter key after you enter each number to go into the list. So 4, enter, 6, 8, 10. Use the arrow keys to move over to the next column. I'm going to enter my Y values. I've entered my two sets of values, my X and my Y. Press the second key and Start Plot, which is above the Y equals button. Press Enter to enter the first plot. Press Enter to turn the plot on. Use the down arrow key to select the type. The scatter plot is already highlighted, so I don't need to press Enter. And these should read L1 and L2. They already do. If they did not read that, then L1 is located above the 1 button and L2 is located above the 2 buttons. You would press second 1 to get L1 into the X list. From here you could press the graph button, but as you can see you just get a standard graph, and that's not very useful for our purposes. So I'm going to hit zoom and I'm going to scroll down to 9, which is zoom stat. You could press enter right there, or you could press the 9 key, and there it's fit the graph into our data points. That's how to create a TI-83 scatterplot. Visit statisticshowto.com for more statistics articles and videos.